Hello Group 201, this is our final weekly feedback video. In today's video, I'll be talking about some of the exercises in American Headway that we had for this week. First, I'll look at the ones on pages 90 through 93 of the book. So just know that we move the tense back when reporting words or thoughts. So for example, if I were to say, I am tired, in reporting form, I would say, she said she was tired. So I am is present. She said she was. We have moved it back to the past. Similarly, I have seen the movie before. Have seen. That's present perfect. Then when you report it, you would say, she told me she had seen the movie before. Had seen, so that's now past perfect. And so on. So you kind of see the trend or you see the pattern. You will like it. When you report it, becomes, she was sure I would like it. Okay? When reporting questions, there is no inversion, and we don't use do, does, or did. So for example, where do you live? He asked me where I lived. How long are you staying? She asked me how long I was staying. Do you know Mike? She wanted to know if I knew Mike. Okay, so now the exercise for the reporting verbs. Here are the answers, so you can check yours against this. It should have been E, F, D, A, B, G, H, and then C. Okay? Exercise 2 on page 93 should have been talk, then argue or talk. Either of those two would have been fine for number 2. Number 3 would be shout. Number 4 would be admit. Number 5 would be complain. Number 6 would be shout / talk or about tell. Any of those. So you could do shout, talk about, or tell. And the next one would be complain, and the final one would be suggest. Now, exercise 3 on page 93, there are many different ways to do this, but I'm going to give you some possibilities. I talk to my kids about everything. That's one option. Another one that you could use, my boss criticizes me for my work. You could also say, I agree with you about most things, but not politics. Or you could say, I discuss everything with my wife. People love gossiping about celebrities. Or you could even say, the teacher accused me of cheating on the test. So those are just some possibilities. Now I'm going to move on to the exercises which appeared on pages 94 through 97 of the textbook. So let's start with exercise 3 on page 94. Who is known simply as the king? That's the question that we had to respond to. And based on the reading, the answer is Elvis Presley. Who was the most prominent women's rights leader in the US? Susan B. Anthony would be the right answer. Who is referred to as the father of modern science? The answer would have been Galileo Galilei. Okay? And the last one, who is known as the great master? Confucius. That would have been the answer to that one. I don't mind means it doesn't upset me. I'm easygoing, right? And I don't care means other people's opinions are not important to me. So again, we have some exercises here where we have to apply these two. So when we use I don't mind, we just mean that I don't care, I'm easygoing, it doesn't bother me. When we actually say I don't care, we are expressing that other people's opinions are not important to us. Okay, so number 1 should have been I don't mind. Number 2 and 3 should have also been I don't mind. And then number 4 should have been I don't care, based on the sentence stem that they gave us. Okay? So that'll do it for this feedback video. For those of you taking the final exam, I wish you luck. And if anyone has any questions, please feel free to let me know. Thanks. Have a great day.